At SEF, we pride ourselves on providing a comprehensive range of greenhouse construction services tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether you're starting from scratch with a new greenhouse project or looking to enhance your existing one, we have you covered. Our skilled team not only excels in installing screening systems in new builds, but also offers retrofitting services. This means we can replace outdated screens in your current greenhouse, upgrading its performance and efficiency. We understand that each greenhouse operation is unique, and one size doesn't fit all. That's why we offer our clients a large range of screening solutions. Efficiency and productivity are crucial in greenhouse operations, and our screening systems are designed to excel in these areas. Our solutions are engineered to maximize energy efficiency, reducing your operational costs. We take pride in our commitment to excellence. We stand behind our work by using only the highest quality materials, ensuring the durability and longevity of our screening systems. Our team of experts carries out precise installations, leaving you with a final product that exceeds your expectations.